Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Beautiful Stitches. I love you all. You're here once again where we make things beautiful and we learn how to make things for ourselves. Today we'll be cutting a flutter sleeve. As you can see, my fabric is on fold and you place it in a triangular manner or you place it on diagonal manner. Okay, so before I continue, if you're new to this channel, please, before leaving, click the subscribe button and touch the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload my video. So let's get started. So we locate the point that can accommodate our armhole. So our armhole is 8.5. all right, this is the point. Okay, we have 8.5 plus 1 inch seam allowance, so we have 10 we have 9.5. So okay, this is 9.5. Locate the point on both sides of our fabric and draw a straight line to connect, just the way I'm doing it. Okay, draw it out. All right, so what to do now is to add our cap's height. My cap's height is 4 inches. For tutorial on how to get your cap's height, visit my channel and you see a tutorial on the basic sleeve pattern. Okay, there I explain how to get our cap's height. So connect the line, also the cap's height line, also connect it. So what we do next now is, from this other point you draw a diagonal line to connect with the end of the fabric, the open side of the fabric, just as I'm doing it. Connect it that way, then locate the midpoint. We have 10 here and the midpoint is 5 inches, so we come up by half an inch. Connect with your curve ruler down to the open end of the fabric, just as I'm doing it. Okay, all right, then also with the curve side of the ruler, also you make a curve, just the way I'm doing it. Make a curve to connect with the half inch we came up with on the midpoint. Then beneath the upper curve, make another curve again, another smaller curve to meet with the lower end of the half inch. Then turn to make another curve. This is the front armhole and this side is the back armhole. Okay, so what we do now is to measure out the length of our sleeve. The length of our sleeve is 11. Okay, then half inch folding allowance, so we've marked it out. So what we do now, we also measure from the point where we folded our fabric down to the length of our sleeve. Okay, I have 21, so I'll measure 21 down. From that point we measure 21 round the sleeve. Okay, just as I'm doing it, measure 21. Okay, still measure again down to the end of the sleeve, measure 21 inches, as you can see. So what to do now is to curve it out on our fabric. Our flutter sleeve has been formed already, as you can see. So you curve it out gently, make your line is straight, there is no sharp end or any end that is not aligning. So this is our flutter sleeve. What to do is to cut it round. Remember, you cut the back armhole before the front armhole. So let's cut it out. Okay, cut out the back armhole, sorry. As you can see, our flutter sleeve is ready. What to do is to spread it out and cut out the front armhole, following the smaller curve beneath the first curve we made. Just as I'm doing it, follow the line gently and cut out the front armhole. Here our sleeve is ready. As you can see, this is our front and the back armhole. Okay, it's very easy and simple. This is the end of our tutorial. As you can see, our flutter sleeve is ready. Okay, thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe before leaving this channel and click the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload my videos. Bye bye. See you in my next tutorial.